Hi, Umar.
Hi, Aisha.
Will you watch this movie?
Yes, I'll watch it with you.
Will you keep this a secret?
Yes, I'll respect your privacy.
Will you forgive me for that?
Yes, I forgive you.
Will you be my friend forever?
Yes, you are my best friend.
Will you travel with me?
Yes, I'd love to travel together.
Will you lend me some money?
No, I'm short on cash too.
Will you marry me someday?
Yes, if you ask me officially.
Will you attend the meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I'll be there on time.
Will you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I enjoy cooking dinner.
Bye, we shall meet tonight.
Okay, goodbye.